With Infinity's drop leaf router bit set, you'll get a perfectly fitting rule joint with no binding. The profiles fit together perfectly thanks to this carbide-tipped matched set of bits. The Infinity half-inch roundover bit has a smooth cutting action and a smoother finish than other bits. This is because the shearing angle of the carbide cutter is set to slice the wood fibers cleanly. Start with the roundover bit and gradually increase the depth of cut until you achieve a crisp shoulder with a depth of 3/16 of an inch. Then switch to Infinity's matching Cove cutter. It's designed to create a perfect complementary curve to complete your rule joint. And, like the roundover bit in this set, it features shearing angle cutter geometry. Be sure to align the bearing to your router table fence with a steel rule. That way you'll always have a positive reference surface regardless of bit height. You'll appreciate the amazing cut quality of these bits. The sharp carbide tipped edge shears the wood fibers, just like a finely tuned hand plane, for effortless cuts without a trace of tear out. Raise the cutter in the router table incrementally, making multiple passes until the cove shape matches the roundover made earlier. The parts will align perfectly and the top surface will be flush. Use 1 or 2 thin cardboard spacers to set the gap to approximately 1/32 of an inch. Aim for a narrow, consistent reveal between the panels. Now build a quick template from 1/2-inch plywood and assemble with pocket hole screws. Use double-sided carpet tape to attach the template to your project. Align the reference line with the joint between the tabletop and folding leaf. The reference line needs to be located 1 7/8 inches from the fixed side of the pocket. Clearly mark this reference line on your jig to help locate the hinges correctly. Install a short hinge mortising bit in your router. Set the bit depth to equal the 1/2-inch plywood plus the thickness of your hinge plate. Route out the shallow recess for the special drop leaf hinges in a clockwise direction. Carpet tape is adequate to hold the template in position to complete this shallow cut. After tracing the perimeter of the template, continue removing the rest of the waste. The result is a perfectly flat recess for the hinge. With this template still in place, chisel the corners square. Next, set up your router with a 5/16" spiral bit and a 1/2-inch outside diameter guide bushing. Use this setup to make a deeper recess for the hinge knuckle. Insert an 1 1/8" long spacer on the fixed table side of the pocket and route the groove. There's just a little more work with the chisel to square up the ends of the knuckle mortise. Again, use the walls of the template to guide your chisel. Release the template to see how you did. The hinges should drop right into these custom-made recesses. Pre-drill holes with a self-centering bit and finish the hinge installation with 6 short screws. Drive the screws by hand as you may need to install them again after applying a finish to your project. Even though they're installed on the underside of the table, these specialty hinges add an air of elegance. Elevate the quality of your woodworking with this matched drop leaf router bit set from Infinity Tools. They guarantee a perfect rule joint for years of service on your custom handmade table. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more great woodworking tips and quality products, and let us know if you like this video.